Hey, before this video starts, make sure you shut off the water to your sprinkler lines before you do any work on them. Otherwise, it's going to be a crazy mess. Hey everybody, this is Nicholas Rogers, and I'm coming at you today with how to repair a broken sprinkler line. So it is about that time of year, spring, when you're turning on the sprinklers. And for me, I turned on the sprinklers and found out that the concrete guys that put down a patio in my backyard this year hit one of my lines with the rebar they used to put down the framing for the actual concrete. So as you could see in this photo, this is what the hole looked like where the rebar went through it. So I cut out that section of piping with this pipe cutter tool. Took that about 2-inch section to Home Depot and got this funny pipe fitting. And I'm going to show you how I fix this pipe. It won't take longer than probably 2 minutes. Before I get into actually doing the repair, I just want to show you what you need. So you need a coupling fixing device for your pipe that was damaged. So I cut out that 2-inch segment. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide these into the pieces of pipe that are buried. And then this actually slides forwards and backwards in case it needs more piping, so it could adjust for how much you had to cut out, which is kind of a cool thing. And then you'll also need 2 hose clamps as well to go over the actual pipes on top of this, and then they take a flathead screwdriver. So let me get right to it. All right, so when we get down in here on this funny coupling, this funny pipe coupling right here, there's going to be some directions. And it says place clamps over pipe ends. Insert this end first where the arrow is pointing, and then insert the other end into the pipes, and then you tighten your clamp securely. So what that means is we're going to take our hose clamps and put them on the hoses or on the pipes that are inside the hole, and you can see where I'm having my issue. And then I'm going to insert this guy, just like it said. Right. Okay. All right, ease in. And I'm going to have to cut. No, I'm not going to have to cut. Well, maybe I will have to cut just a little bit. All right. I got to cut a little bit of pipe. All right, so I'm going to just take off a little bit of pipe right here. Into this pipe. Okay. All right. Now, I'll take our screwdriver, tighten up our hose clamps. Alright. Trash out. Now we go turn on the sprinkler lines. Alright, looking good. So the sprinklers are on and we are not dripping any water. So this was a success. You can see they got sprinklers on over here and over here. So zone 3 is back up and running. Looking good.